I'm Kodiac Charbroil, and this is Guy Against Nature. Stop the truck! I can't do that shit.
It's starting to get dark. We need to get sheltered now.
Oh great, I'm not built for this. Kodiac, slow down. Oh crap. Oh man, slow down.
This is fortunate we've come across a natural shelter. Let's get in it.
It's getting dark, man. Hey dude, am I gonna be able to fit down there?
Get your arm.
It seems we have emerged victoriously from the wild. How do you feel, Kodiac? Are we gonna find our way out soon?
Looks like no woods ahead. Alright, in a situation like this, when you don't know where you're at, and you don't know where you're going, you need to get high so you can figure out where you're at and where you're going to go.
Dude, I got the weed right here. Oh, you're gonna climb the tree?
Yeah.
Oh.
Looks like we should head due north.
That sounds good. Let's go. Kodiac, we need to find some drinking water.
There's some right there, you dope.
I'm thirsty. Did you find a turtle shell?
A drinking cup.
A drinking apparatus. That water looks very sanitary.
See, that's the kind of water to drink.
Are you gonna
Bottoms up.
Whoa. What are you?
You always come prepared.
Planter's nuts? I had to eat freaking muskrat last night, and you're eating Planter's nuts? So is this gonna keep both of us warm tonight?
Just me.
Oh man. So high. I don't know how I'm gonna get down. I can't drop. I'll break a leg. Oh my god! Sweet baby Jesus, my leg's broken! Oh my freaking ankle! Oh my god! Oh, the agony! Oh.
We're gonna have to take care of the problem.
Where did you get a shotgun?
If I told you, I'd have to kill you.
You're gonna kill me anyways.
Good point.